Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went in? Or maybe you found yourself searching for your keys only to realize they were in your hand the whole time. These little lapses in memory can be frustrating, and they happen to all of us, no matter our age. Or struggled to remember names just moments after hearing them? Social situations can become awkward when your mind draws a blank, even though you just met someone. It's easy to feel embarrassed or wonder if your memory is slipping. In our fast-paced world, brain fog and forgetfulness are all too common. With constant notifications, endless to-do lists, and the pressure to multitask, our minds are often overwhelmed. It's no wonder we sometimes feel mentally exhausted or scattered. But what if there was a natural way to support your brain and sharpen your memory? What if an ancient herb, used for thousands of years, could help unlock your brain's true potential? Meet Brahmi, a remarkable plant with a rich history. Revered in Ayurvedic medicine, Brahmi has long been known for enhancing memory and mental clarity. For generations, healers have turned to Brahmi to help people think more clearly, remember more easily, and find a sense of calm in their daily lives. Now, modern science is catching up, exploring what ancient healers always believed. Brahmi is a powerful, natural brain booster. Researchers are studying its effects on focus, learning, and even stress reduction, uncovering exciting possibilities for mental wellness. This isn't about a quick fix or a magic pill, but about supporting your mind with nature's wisdom. Brahmi works gently, helping you build resilience and clarity over time so you can feel your best every day. Today, we'll uncover how Brahmi can help you stay sharp, focused, and calm at work, in school, and beyond. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or simply looking to support your mental health, Brahmi offers benefits for everyone. Let's dive into the world of Brahmi and discover how this humble herb can help you build a brighter, more brilliant brain, naturally and for life. So, what is Brahmi? You might have heard it called the miracle herb. But what makes it so special, and why has it been cherished for centuries? Its name comes from Brahma, the Hindu creator god, reflecting its revered status. In Indian tradition, anything associated with Brahma is considered sacred and powerful, and Brahmi is no exception. Scientifically known as Bacopa Monnieri, Brahmi is a small, water-loving herb found in tropical, marshy areas across the world. Its delicate, succulent leaves thrive in wet environments, making it a common sight along riverbanks and ponds in India, Southeast Asia, and even parts of the Americas. For over 3,000 years, it's been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine, celebrated as a Medhya Rasayana, an herb that sharpens the intellect. Ancient healers believed Brahmi could enhance memory, boost concentration, and even calm the mind during times of stress. Ancient scholars used Brahmi to memorize long texts, a tradition that inspired modern research into its cognitive benefits. Students and sages alike would consume Brahmi before embarking on intense study sessions, trusting in its mind-boosting powers. Don't confuse Brahmi, Bacopa Monnieri, with Gotu-kola. They're different plants with unique properties. While both are used in traditional medicine, only Bacopa Monnieri is the true Brahmi, known for its brain-enhancing effects. The secret to Brahmi's power lies in its bacosides, potent antioxidants that protect and support brain cells. These natural compounds are the focus of much scientific interest today, as researchers explore how they might help prevent cognitive decline and support mental clarity. These compounds help improve communication between brain cells and support the production of key neurotransmitters. This means Brahmi doesn't just help you remember things, it may also help you stay focused, process information faster, and feel more balanced emotionally. Think of bacosides as your brain's support crew, working behind the scenes to keep your mind resilient and sharp. Whether you're studying, working, or just trying to stay mentally agile as you age, Brahmi's unique chemistry offers a natural way to support your brain's health and performance. Brahmi's most celebrated benefit is its profound impact on memory and cognitive function. For centuries, this remarkable herb has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine to sharpen the mind and enhance mental clarity. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, a professional juggling multiple tasks, or simply looking to keep your mind sharp as you age, Brahmi offers support for all stages of life. Modern studies show that regular use of Brahmi can significantly improve learning speed, memory retention, and the ability to recall information when you need it most. It's not just about remembering facts. Brahmi helps you absorb new knowledge more efficiently and retrieve it with greater ease, making learning a more enjoyable and less stressful experience. Brahmi works at the cellular level by enhancing the growth of dendrites, tiny nerve endings that allow brain cells to communicate with each other. This means your brain's internal connections become stronger and more complex, supporting better overall cognitive performance and adaptability. Imagine your brain as a vast network of roads and highways. Brahmi acts like a skilled engineer, building new pathways and repairing old ones, so information can travel faster and more reliably. This improved connectivity helps you process thoughts quickly and make sense of complex ideas. It also boosts your information processing speed, allowing you to think on your feet, solve problems creatively, and make connections between ideas in real time. This can be especially helpful in fast-paced environments where quick thinking is essential. In today's world of constant information overload, Brahmi helps you filter out distractions and focus on what truly matters. By reducing mental fatigue and supporting sustained attention, it enables you to stay productive and calm, even during long periods of concentration. As an adaptogen, Brahmi helps your body resist the negative effects of stress, creating a more balanced and supportive environment for learning and memory. It encourages relaxation and resilience, so your mind can perform at its best. By balancing stress hormones like cortisol, Brahmi protects your brain from the damaging effects of chronic stress. This not only preserves your cognitive abilities, but also supports emotional well-being and a positive outlook. This powerful dual action, supporting brain cell communication and reducing stress, makes Brahmi an invaluable tool for anyone seeking long-term brain health, sharper memory, and a more focused, resilient mind. ADHD challenges focus, impulse control, and restlessness in both children and adults. While conventional treatments help, many seek natural options. This is where Brahmi shines. Research suggests Brahmi can improve attention and reduce impulsivity by supporting executive function in the brain. Studies in children show better memory, attention, and self-control with Brahmi supplementation. Brahmi helps balance neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are crucial for mood and focus. For adults juggling work and family, Brahmi's ability to enhance working memory and reduce mental fatigue is especially valuable. Imagine organizing your thoughts, remembering details, and staying on task with less frustration. By supporting attention and focus, Brahmi offers a gentle, natural way to improve daily performance for those with ADHD. Stress and anxiety are constant companions in modern life, but Brahmi offers a natural way to build resilience. As an adaptogen, Brahmi helps your body adapt to stress without making you drowsy. It works by lowering cortisol, the stress hormone, helping you feel calm and in control. Think of your nervous system as a guitar string. Brahmi gently loosens the tension, restoring harmony. People who take Brahmi often report calm focus, relaxed, yet mentally sharp. Brahmi also supports neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA, which regulate mood and promote a sense of well-being. By balancing these brain chemicals, Brahmi helps reduce anxiety and foster emotional stability. It's a natural option for anyone seeking a peaceful mind without sacrificing clarity. With Brahmi, you can navigate stressful situations with greater ease and confidence. What does science say about Brahmi's effects? The answer lies in its bacosides. These compounds act as antioxidants, protecting brain cells from oxidative stress, the rust that ages our brains. Bacosides also enhance synaptic communication, promoting the growth of dendrites for a more efficient neural network. This is like upgrading your brain's internet from dial-up to high-speed fiber optics. Brahmi supports neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, vital for memory and learning, and helps balance serotonin and dopamine for mood and focus. It also enhances GABA's calming effects, reducing overexcitement in the brain. Brahmi's anti-inflammatory properties further protect brain health, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. By combining antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neurotransmitter-supporting actions, Brahmi offers comprehensive brain support. It's a multi-pronged approach to keeping your mind healthy and sharp. Ready to try Brahmi? It's available as powders, capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. Capsules and tablets are convenient and pre-measured, perfect for busy lifestyles. Brahmi powder can be mixed into warm water, milk, smoothies, or yogurt. Pairing it with healthy fats like ghee boosts absorption. Liquid extracts and tinctures offer fast-acting effects, just a few drops under the tongue or in water. Choose alcohol-free tinctures if you prefer. Consistency is key. Brahmi's effects build over time, not instantly like caffeine. Most studies use daily doses of 300–500 milligrams of standardized extract for several weeks. Start with a lower dose and follow product instructions or your healthcare provider's advice. With regular use, Brahmi can become a valuable part of your wellness routine. Brahmi is generally safe, but be aware of possible side effects. Some people may experience digestive issues like nausea or diarrhea, especially at higher doses. Starting with a low dose and taking Brahmi with food can help minimize discomfort. Rarely, Brahmi may cause drowsiness. If so, try taking it in the evening. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid Brahmi due to limited safety data. Brahmi may interact with sedatives, thyroid medications, or drugs for Alzheimer's or glaucoma. Always consult your doctor before starting Brahmi, especially if you take prescription medications. Listen to your body and discontinue use if you experience persistent side effects. Remember, this information is educational. Work with a healthcare professional to ensure Brahmi is right for you. We've explored Brahmi's ancient roots and modern science, revealing its power to support memory, focus, and calm. This humble herb reminds us that nature often holds the keys to our well-being. Embracing Brahmi is about more than supplements. It's about a holistic approach to health. Combined with good nutrition, movement, and rest, Brahmi can be a powerful partner on your wellness journey. By choosing natural solutions, you take an active role in your health and vitality. Stay curious, do your research, and consult trusted professionals as you explore botanical medicine. Let Brahmi inspire you to cultivate a sharper, calmer, and more resilient mind. With nature's support, you're well equipped to unlock your brain's full potential.